troubleshooting a Bevmax.
And so this is a mystery that we solved today on the Bevmax. Great machine. Just hours of use and hundreds of miles.
See, if you look at the control board, when you're in this position test mode in factory diagnostics, those three lights indicate. So when you see when the yellow light come on and off,
Yes,
that's
I see
the
that.
X home. And then the green light,
Flashing, correct?
that's the Y home. So you can see that the switches are working or not working
Excellent.
in
This is-
that programming mode. So what I'll do is go into this position test, and here, I'll switch places with you. Run it up and down, and I can see the switch, the lights go off and come on.
I understand.
And every time I say go home, I want to make sure they come on and stay on.
So it stays solid once it's home.
That's right.
And when you finish, it goes away.
That's only when you're in this position test programming mode, which is to test, whoops, let me get out of here. 2 times brings you to test mode, then F star, and that number 1 is position test. That's where you can see those lights.
I got it. So yeah, normally you would
For testing, normally you wouldn't see those.
Got it.
That's why if somebody calls me and says I have a homing problem, I'll have them go right there and say, okay, is your yellow light on? Is your green light on? Because you know right away it's
Well,
at home.
provided they go through this step right here, the prevention
That's,
step.
over the phone, I'll have them go there
Okay.
and say, okay, is your yellow light on? No. Well, then I know it's not at home.
Okay.
They can say, well, yeah, it's over, but if you don't see the yellow light, the control board doesn't know it's at home.
And that's when I'm willing to line up and adjust.
Make sure, yeah, I just moved, by loosening that belt, I just brought the bottom over, so it squared that up better. Because it was hitting at the bottom before the top could hit that switch fully. This has to be here.
And you adjust it here.
See, that clamp is what holds it to the belt. So if you loosen that up, I can swing that over
This
to
right
the
here?
right, yes, to square up this whole thing.
I see. With the screwdriver, you move
I
millimeters.
loosen and I just move the whole thing and then tighten it back down.
Got it.
Yeah. Actually attaches the mechanism to the belt,
Okay.
and by loosening and moving it, we're taking the bottom and just moving it over so the bottom doesn't hit. So it was like this instead of like this.
Okay.
So the bottom was hitting before that switch could make good.
Okay.
We'll give it a good test now.